Hey everybody, this is Selena and I'm going to show you my fall kitchen. And so, here we go. My husband's talking about football. Forgive them. That's my little coffee place. And there's things for my cocoa and my coffee and some apple butter for my toast that Sam's mama made. And here's my tree. He's loud. That's my little 4-tier tray that I made. And it looks like it's been a hit. There's my candy corn stuff I made for his grandmother's hutch, or his great-grandmother's hutch. Lord. He's so loud. Many have ate here, only a few have died. I made me an island out of a metal stand that I had my coffee on, and I just got some of the flooring and made it into a little island. I can't believe it. Yeah, Sam. I made that little pumpkin pie out of clay and my other pie. Here's I'm going to show how I made these out of just a handle of his great-grandmother's basket. And you're getting a little guess. It's my new cookbook I love. Sam made me a little thing for my stove so I could decorate it. That was his grandmother's. Oh, and then here's, you are the artist of your own life. Don't let hand the paintbrush. I can't even talk today. Don't let the paintbrush to anyone else. I couldn't even say that. Lord help me. So I decided, I want to take out these cabinets over here, down this side, and decorate them because we didn't use them. Since the kids are gone, we really don't need that much. And this is what Dawn got me. Thank you, Dawn. I love it. And then there's my lantern. I made a little reef inside of it. My little dog. I painted these. Izzy, Papa, and Mimi. Some more apple butter. And then I did this. Thought it looked cool. And I always choose happy. And then I made me a little shelf up here above. And I made this out of a planner. I made that. And I done that one. Made these. Sorry about the lighting. And the big mouth that's in there. Sam also made me a little, I don't have a lot of countertops, so he made me this over one of my sinks. And I hadn't put the dishes up, so forgive that. And then Izzy's allergy medicine. And I made that. My son was going to throw all these little pieces away. And I said, no, don't you dare. And then I made the pumpkin. And then I needed a third pumpkin. So I made some clay. Then I put, here goes OCD. Welcome all who enters this home. And I can't even say the other one. Then I put my glass for Sundays up here. And then I painted all this like Mackenzie Childs. I thought it was cool. And up there I decorated it for my country look. And then I made the Selena kitchen. Yike. And then here's my basket chandelier. We don't use this. I just turned it on just now so you can see. But that's my basket chandelier. So, this is my fall kitchen. And the next will be my Christmas. Until then, I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.